Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kurma. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of your chosen protein or vegetables, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Also, prepare fresh aromatics like ginger, garlic, and onions, along with a selection of whole and ground spices for that authentic flavor. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the base for your kurma. If using meat, marinate it in 1/2 cup of yogurt and a teaspoon of turmeric for at least 30 minutes. This tenderizes the protein and infuses it with flavor. Finely chop or paste your ginger and garlic, and thinly slice 1 large onion. These aromatics are crucial for building the deep, savory foundation of your dish. Now let's move to the cooking process. In a large pot, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté your sliced onions until they are deeply golden brown, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, add the ginger and garlic paste, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in your ground spices, cooking for about 60 seconds before adding the marinated protein or vegetables. Simmer gently until everything is tender and well cooked. Finally, for the finishing touches, gradually stir in the remaining 1/2 cup of yogurt and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to achieve a rich, velvety texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of sugar if needed. Garnish your beautiful kurma with fresh cilantro or toasted slivered almonds for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then serve hot with fluffy rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.